I tested a DIY logo and a professional designer. Same business, same idea. Completely different result. At first, I thought the DIY version was fine. It looked clean enough, simple enough. But something didn't feel right. It didn't feel like a brand. It felt like a placeholder. Then I got a professional version done, and instantly, you could see the difference, not just visually, but emotionally. The professional logo had balance, clarity, consistency. Everything felt intentional. The DIY version, it was just assembled. Font, icon, color, put together, but not designed. And that's the difference most people miss. DIY logos are built, professional logos are designed. And that difference shows up immediately, in trust, in perception, in how seriously people take your brand. I noticed it straight away. Same website, same offer, different logo, and people reacted differently. That's when it clicked. Your logo is not just what people see, it's what they feel about your business. DIY tools are fast, easy, cheap, but they lack one thing: intent. A professional designer doesn't just make something look good. They build something that communicates who you are, what you do, why it matters. And that's why the difference is so big. So if you're deciding between DIY or hiring someone, ask yourself this: do you want something that looks okay or something that actually represents your brand? Because once you see the difference, you can't unsee it. If you want to do what I did, I've linked where I found my designer below. Take a look at a few portfolios, and you'll instantly understand why it matters.